The declutter continues and the lounge and the bedroom are a state. So, current state of our living room. Some sort of furniture graveyard here. And the bedroom isn't really too much better. Just need to sort through all of this stuff. It's another day. Our buyer has come to measure up the flat, so I was out now for a little walk. It's very windy. It's kind of got that feel that it's going to start raining, but I need to pop to Tesco's as well just to get a couple of bits for dinner. So it's now Wednesday. It is extremely sunny outside. I have finished work for the day. I've had my lunch. I've put some makeup on because I'm actually having my leaving drinks this evening for work. So the flat is looking a lot better. We have got rid of quite a bit of furniture now. There's just a few odd bits left to go at the weekend, and then just a few more bits to actually sort out. But I'll show you the current state of play. So this is a big stack of clothes that is going to new homes. There's no furniture left here. Big pile of suitcases. Some of these have actually got stuff in. This unit is going at the weekend, and then just a few books and DVDs that are also going. But apart from that, not much else in here. Obviously the armchair that was here has gone. And then probably the saddest thing is the kitchen cupboard. So I've obviously not really been wanting to buy any food and just use up what we've got here already. So it's basically just a few herbs and spices, a few condiments, and then this one is even sadder. There's just nothing in here. I definitely apologise. Everything is just a bit all over the place at the moment. Obviously we're still here just trying to pack up our lives. I think by the time this comes out we will be in Australia, but just obviously trying to keep the content coming whilst we're getting settled there. But I mentioned a little while ago that tonight, or this afternoon, tonight is my leaving drinks from work. A bit random for a Wednesday, but it was very short notice, and just hoping to see as many people as possible because we've all been working from home pretty much for the last couple of years. So just be nice to see a few faces in the flesh before we go. It is still so sunny outside. I'm hoping I've got time to maybe have a little walk before I go out. I need to meet Tim later when he finishes work or gets back here to go to Iceland, and then I will just go off to the pub from there. But I'm just editing the previous week's vlog at the moment. I think it's actually the only thing I've got filmed that I need to edit. And then there's just still a few other little bits I need to do, but to be fair, I'll probably just do them tomorrow. It's been quite nice spending the last hour or so just not really doing a lot, because I feel like I've been busy for the last 6 weeks or something. So yeah, it's quite nice, and I will hopefully see you a bit later. So it is a couple of days since I filmed, and I've done my base makeup because I'm going to be filming an eyeshadow video in a little bit. It is 20 to 1. I'm off work today, so I've just spent the morning just sorting out some more stuff. A bit more furniture's gone. It's looking a bit emptier. Well, I say emptier, I think it's looking messy again, but both of our parents are coming round tomorrow to help us just sort out a few last bits and just take a few bits for storage as well, because there's obviously a lot of stuff that we don't want to take right away with us, but that we will want probably at some point. So I'm actually gonna have my lunch now because I'm hungry and it's lunchtime, and I boiled an egg earlier to have an egg mayo baguette. So I've got, if I can find it, half a tiger baton from Tesco's. So just going to have that with, we've got a bit of salad in the fridge, so probably have that with it, but I mean, I will show you anyway. And then plan for the rest of the day is just to carry on doing a bit of sorting. I want to do some editing, and Tim's actually going out this evening for his work leaving drinks, so I don't know what I'm going to do this evening. Maybe like watch a film, because I've got Netflix set up on my laptop now because the TV has gone. This is the current state of the living room now, and then there's the kitties. I need to finish sorting out all of this and sort out what makeup I'm going to take. This is some stuff that I want to go into storage. Okay, so I have just finished filming my eyeshadow video, and I didn't realise until I actually started to sit down to film that I actually didn't have a chair to sit on. Like, we've obviously moving imminently and have sold like a lot of our furniture, so normally I'd sit on, like, we've just got these white plastic chairs, but they've gone, the armchair's gone, all we've got is the sofa, which I didn't really want to drag through to the bedroom, so I've just been sat perched on the end of the bed. I've got this little table that I've just put my makeup on, so yeah, you'll probably see in that makeup video that there's a bit of a different angle going on. So it is now just gone 7 o'clock, and Tim has just gone out to go to his leaving drinks. I have still got my Maladeser quest, which I am very much enjoying, and I think my plan for the evening is, I don't know, I'm going to do probably a bit of editing. I was watching Friends earlier, so I might just carry on watching that, or perhaps watch a movie. I feel like I've done enough like sorting out and tidying and stuff for one day, and we're going to just be doing more sorting and tidying again tomorrow. So yeah, just me and the cats now. Looking forward actually to quite a nice chilled evening. Oh yeah, so I literally vlogged nothing of the evening because after enjoying my nice cup of tea and my shortbread and watching trashy BBC iPlayer stuff, I went to the pub with Tim for his leaving drinks. So it's now Saturday, and I think my parents are due round in maybe like 10 minutes. So Tim and I are just having a little sort out of the stuff in the kitchen cupboards, because to be fair, there's not actually loads to sort out in there. It's mainly just like loads of treats that we still have from Christmas. So I'll show you the current state of the kitchen, and probably actually the current state of the living room, because that has got way worse since I last vlogged it. This is all of our treats that we need to either eat or take or give away. And then this is the current state of the living room. So it's definitely got worse. And then this is our bedroom, because the bed frame is going today. We just need to take it apart later. This is all stuff we're going to put in storage. Just still need to sort out all of this. This is stuff that we want. This is stuff that we want in these boxes here. And there's Kitty 2. You waiting for more pouch? You want more pouch? There's Kitty 1. Come running because she's heard me talking. Yes, Ord? You okay? You want some chicken? You want chicken? You want chicken? You want chicken, boy? It's a lot later, and we have spent the day just seeing both of our respective parents. We've had a lot more stuff to like sort out, and some stuff's been taken away. We've taken some to like the charity bin things at our local Tesco. We've taken some food to the food bank that obviously is unopened, and we're just sitting down now to have our dinner. And we've got like a fajita wrap with just like some pepper and some onions in, and then a little portion of nachos as well. It is now Sunday. I have just filmed another makeup video amongst the chaos that is the house at the moment. So this IKEA unit is going later, someone's buying that. We just bought some new like cabin bag sized suitcases, and I think a bit later on today we're going to start actually packing stuff obviously that we want to take with us. But first things first, we're actually going out in a minute for a roast at one of our favourite local places, Camden. I actually entered their competition a few weeks ago to win a roast, and then yeah, I won. So Tim and I have got a free roast dinner and also a free bottle of wine, so definitely very needed. It means I haven't got to like cook anything today, and once we're back from lunch out we can just kind of crack on with some packing and some sorting and stuff here. We did loads of sorting yesterday when our parents were here, and they took a few bits away, and like I know my mum's going to have the sofa, so that will be going next weekend, which will be our final weekend before we go. But I know I've been updating you so far on the state of the room, so I'll just give you a quick little overview of what the living room currently looks like. So as you can see, it's pretty chaotic. This is full of makeup. This is full of makeup. It's just stuff everywhere. This is a bedroom. Here's Tim, hello.
Hi.
So we currently have no bed, we just have our mattress. And then there's literally just a couple of boxes of stuff in here. The calendar, some washing, and yeah, no furniture. We are back from our roast. I'm looking very windswept because it's very windy out there, and the roast was amazing. So we both went for roast beef, had like all the trimmings. They included a portion of cauliflower cheese, which is so nice from Camden. It's like a truffled cauliflower cheese. And then we had a really nice bottle of Pinot Grigio, which is actually my favourite white wine. So that all worked out really well. So a bit stuffed now. I think it's coming up maybe like 2:45. So yeah, just back home now. Someone's picking up our final IKEA unit, which you can see just there, and we've got a bit more like sorting and packing stuff that we want to do. But for now, just gonna maybe have like a 5-minute sit down. So I've got my next drink, and I've got this Brewdog Tony's Hopper Lonely white chocolate and raspberry milkshake IPA. So this is from the Brewdog advent calendar that we had back before Christmas, but obviously we've just been like making our way through all of the cans in it. Tim's actually got one as well. He's got like the velvet cake, like pecan stout or something. I did try a sip, but I'm not really a big fan of a stout. And I think with this one, again, maybe have tried like one sip before that Tim's had, but I'm excited to have a whole one for myself. It's actually finally looking a lot better in here, well, at least in the living room anyway. It's lunch break, and I've just got back from Marks and Spencer's because I had to pick up an order from there, and actually ordered a new swimming costume. And I know I can obviously get them in Australia, but I really do like the Marks and Spencer's ones. I had one from there before, which I've had, well, it's lasted me a really long time, so I thought I'd rather stick with what I know and get it and then take it out there with me. I also treated myself to a Costa. I don't know why it's still in the Christmas card, bearing in mind it's February, but there we go. I went for an almond milk flat white because at the moment their alternative milks are all free, and I really do like the almond milk. I tried it quite a lot in my like week vegan video, and I've just decided to stick with it. So that's what I've got to enjoy for the rest of my lunch break. So I'm actually going to end this week's vlog here. Thank you so much for watching this week's vlog, and I hope that you enjoyed it. There'll be a new vlog out next week, and then a new makeup / beauty related video in between. But yeah, as always, thanks so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.